Hi everyone, welcome back to Talk Lily, the place where English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hi Lily. Hi everyone. Happy to be here today.
Hi Leo, you look really happy today. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks, and I'm excited because our topic today is a good one.
Yes, it is, but first, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
So Lily, are you ready to start?
I'm ready. Today's topic is Tell me about yourself, a question people hear all the time, in a new class, a new job, or when meeting new people.
True, and it's often hard to know what to say. So today we'll make it simple and fun.
Perfect. So, Leo, let's start with you. Tell me about yourself, starting with the easy part. What's your name?
My name is Leo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Lily. So, next, where are you from?
I'm from USA. And what about you?
I'm from the United States. Do you live in a big city?
No, I live in a small quiet town, and I really like it. What about you?
I live in a big, busy, noisy city, but I love it. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small house with a garden. What about you?
I live in a small apartment, but it's very nice. I like it a lot.
So now we know our names, where we are from, and where we live. What's next?
How about age, Leo? How old are you, if you don't mind sharing?
It's totally fine. I'm 28 years old. And you?
I'm 25.
A great age. Now for the big question, what do you do, Leo?
I'm an English teacher, and I love my job. What about you, Lily?
I'm a student, studying art. I love drawing and painting.
That's wonderful. An art student and an English teacher make a perfect podcast team.
Let's talk about family now. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Leo?
I have one older brother named Tom. He's 29. What about you?
I have a younger sister named Sarah. She's a music student who plays piano.
Wow, our families are creative. My mother is a writer and my father is a doctor.
That's amazing. My mother is a teacher for little kids, and my father is a chef who cooks delicious food at home.
I'm jealous. That sounds great. Now let's talk about pets. Do you have one, Leo?
Yes, I have a friendly, funny brown dog named Max. Do you have a pet?
I have a quiet, sleepy black and white cat named Luna, so we are a dog person and a cat person.
True. Now let's talk about our favorite things, starting with food. What's your favorite, Leo?
That's hard to choose, but I'll say pizza, vegetable pizza with tomatoes, peppers and onions.
I like pepperoni pizza, but my true favorite food is pasta.
Good choice. What's your favorite color?
Blue like the sky, and yours?
Green, like trees and grass. I love nature's colors.
Blue sky and green grass, perfect together. What's your favorite animal?
Easy, dogs, because of Max, loyal and friendly. And yours?
Cats, they're elegant and independent.
Now let's talk hobbies. What are yours, Leo?
I paint every weekend, it helps me relax. And I also love reading adventure story books.
I love listening to old rock music, playing soccer with friends on Saturdays, and watching comedy movies.
I also love comedy movies and animated movies too, so much imagination in them.
We are basically answering, tell me about yourself, right now, just a very long answer.
True, let's also talk about things we don't like. Is there a food you dislike, Leo?
I don't like olives. What about you?
I don't like very spicy food. A little is fine, but very hot food, no thanks.
What about an activity you dislike?
I don't like very spicy food. A little is fine, but very hot food, no thanks.
I don't like waking up early. I'm just not a morning person.
This is a great way to describe yourself. Sharing likes and dislikes shows your personality.
For example, hi, I'm Leo. I'm a teacher. I like dogs and pizza, but not olives.
And I'm Lily, a student. I love cats and pasta, but I don't like waking up early.
Simple, clear, and friendly, that's all it takes.
We covered so much: name, hometown, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes and dislikes.
You don't have to say everything at once though. You can choose what fits the moment.
Right, in a classroom, maybe just share your name and why you are learning English.
And at a party, you could just say your name and a hobby you enjoy.
Then someone might ask more questions and a new friendship begins.
It all starts with, tell me about yourself. It's not scary, it's really an invitation to share.
It's been so nice learning more about you today, Lily.
Same here, Leo. Now I know you're a teacher who loves pizza and blue, with a dog named Max.
And I know you're an art student who loves pasta and green, with a sleepy cat named Luna.
This was such a fun and successful chat. I hope it helps our listeners too.
Remember, keep it simple, be friendly, and a smile always helps.
Our time is almost up. Before we go, please subscribe to Talk Lily and give this video a thumbs up.
And share it with anyone learning English. We want to help as many people as we can.
For today's practice, go to the comments and tell us about yourself, your name, your country, your favorite thing, anything at all.
We'd love to read your comments and learn a little about you.
Thanks so much for listening today. Stay safe and keep practicing.
We'll be back soon with another fun episode. Goodbye for now.
Bye everyone. Bye Leo.